The 2025 Lincoln Aviator stands as a testament to Lincoln's commitment to luxury and performance in the midsize SUV segment. Under the hood, it boasts a 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine, delivering an impressive 400 horsepower and 415 pound-feet of torque. This powertrain ensures robust acceleration, with the Aviator reaching 60 miles per hour in just 5.6 seconds. The engine is paired with a smooth shifting 10-speed automatic transmission, contributing to both serene cruising and authoritative acceleration. In terms of design, the 2025 Aviator features a refreshed front fascia and redesigned headlights, giving it a more modern and refined appearance. The interior is spacious, accommodating up to 7 passengers with options for a second-row bench seat or available captain's chairs. The powerful third-row seat allows for easy configuration, folding flat at the press of a button to expand cargo space. Standard features include heated and ventilated front seats, a panoramic vista roof, and a power liftgate, enhancing both comfort and convenience. Technological advancements are prominent in this model. The Aviator comes equipped with Lincoln BlueCruise, offering hands-free driving on pre-qualified sections of divided highways. The Lincoln Copilot 360 Registered Drive 2.0 suite expands driver awareness with features like adaptive cruise control, lane centering, and speed sign recognition. The infotainment system is user-friendly, featuring a large touchscreen with intuitive controls, ensuring drivers remain connected and informed. The suspension system has been refined to provide a plush and agreeable ride, aligning with the expectations of modern Lincoln buyers. The adaptive suspension system reads the road ahead, adjusting settings to maintain a smooth driving experience, even over rough surfaces. In terms of dimensions, the Aviator measures 199.7 inches in length, 79.6 inches in width without mirrors, and 69.2 inches in height, with a wheelbase of 119.1 inches. It offers a cargo capacity of 19.2 cubic feet with all seats in place, expanding to a maximum of 78.6 cubic feet when the rear seats are folded down. The maximum towing capacity is 5,000 pounds, providing ample capability for hauling needs. The 2025 Aviator is available in multiple trims, including the Premier and Reserve models. The Reserve model adds features like the Illumination Package, which includes an illuminated Lincoln Star in the grille and adaptive pixel LED headlamps with adaptive dynamic bending. Leather seating surfaces and ambient lighting further elevate the luxury experience. Safety is a priority in the Aviator, with a comprehensive suite of features designed to protect occupants. The vehicle includes automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, a blind spot information system with cross-traffic alert, and a lane-keeping system. Reverse brake assist applies the brakes if an object is detected while reversing, adding an extra layer of security. The Aviator's exterior design is both sleek and commanding, with available packages like the Jet Appearance package enhancing its visual appeal through black and body-colored exterior elements. The panoramic vista roof opens up the cabin to natural light, creating an airy and open atmosphere for passengers. In summary, the 2025 Lincoln Aviator combines powerful performance with a suite of advanced features and a refined design, making it a compelling choice in the luxury midsize SUV market. Its blend of comfort, technology, and capability ensures a driving experience that is both engaging and serene. If you found this review helpful and want to stay updated on the latest automotive news and reviews, consider subscribing to our channel. At Rush Drive, we are passionate about delivering engaging and informative content about cars. Our channel features a variety of videos that cater to car enthusiasts and casual viewers alike. Join our community to stay informed and entertained with the latest in the automotive world.